Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and these Indomie noodles are delicious.
So these aren't exactly soup. They're noodles packed with tons of flavor. This is the chicken barbecue flavor. It's really easy to make. Into boiling water, I'll just put the noodles. It only takes a few minutes. And while they're boiling, I will take out the powder and the sauces. There's about 4 or 5 of them. Depending on the flavor you like, you can kind of choose. I put them all in, mix them together, and then I drain the water and I dump the sauce into the noodles. I left a tiny bit of water just so the noodles wouldn't dry out, and I mix it around. And it's just so easy and convenient. Delicious little meal or a snack for such a great flavor. I took these camping and it was so easy to make and such a comforting meal to have. Even though the flavor is called barbecue chicken, it's not too intense on the barbecue side and it's not spicy.
These noodles are super convenient and they are packed full of flavor. I really like them and you will too. That's my point of view.